Welcome back to Bloom. Food bloggers and academics are pushing out a vast ocean of evidence supporting the health benefits of eating vegetables, specifically in the realm of greens. And joining us today to show us how eating super greens can actually be fun and easy for everyone in the family is registered dietitian and nutritionist Meridan Zerner. Welcome to Bloom.
Thank you for having me, and any opportunity that I can have to talk about the benefits of greens, of fruits and vegetables. It's kind of what we registered dietitians do. But in the summer, I think there's some amazing opportunities to I want to say sneak them in, but in stealth health fashion, really bring up our quota of these powerhouse foods.
Yeah, because if you prepare them the right way, which I know you're about to do, they really taste incredible. So what types of greens should we be eating to maximize our immune health and energy levels?
Well, and I want to keep in mind that, hey, only 10% of the nation right now, according to the CDC, is even getting enough fruits and vegetables. So I will take what you'll give me on any level, but I think most folks might think, oh, the iceberg lettuce on my cheeseburger. I'm thinking about what you're seeing here on this image, which is the spinach, the kale, the wheatgrass, the barley grass. I'm looking at the dandelion greens, mustard greens, these deep dark greens, the reds, the oranges. That's where we get the therapeutic health benefits and the phytochemicals and, of course, the vitamins and minerals that these foods provide. And at the same time, I know for some folks, maybe they don't like the greens, maybe it's too bitter, maybe they like them, but they have a really busy lifestyle like I do, and they're just trying to figure out, how do I get this job done? So I've got some creative ideas.
So are there easier ways to incorporate greens into foods that we like to eat versus making everyone eat their broccoli?
Well, yes. And so when we think even about recommendations from the American Academy of Pediatrics, they're going to say, hey, look, let's just get the broccoli in. So if it means that we need to put a little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese on it, okay, maybe we roast it with some olive oil, trying it sort of shredded in a soup. I love to use an avocado even in a brownie. Right. So one of the other ideas that I will often tap would be like a greens powder, because it's really easy to mix that into a salad dressing or a pasta salad. I've got a lot of other cool ideas for a greens powder.
Oh, that's good. So the powder can be just as good as actually eating the leafy greens?
When you think about the phytonutrient kind of toe-to-toe, yes. Of course, if you can eat that big old plate of spinach or kale or drink the wheatgrass juice, right, you might be getting more fiber and water content, but from a therapeutic, protective, immune bolstering sense, you are going to get full credit.
So what are some ways that you incorporate all of this into making something delicious for us to eat?
Well, I'm always open to your unique taste buds. And so I would start out maybe with even just a smoothie as an easy vehicle for not only busy families, kids like it. And you can see there, that's what a greens smoothie looks like. The recipe that I have for you today, even because I work with a lot of kids where even just the color green where they can see it, they may they might turn up their nose. So I've got a superhero smoothie where I've actually blended some almond milk, and I've used like a chocolate protein powder. I've used actually greens powder in this, and a banana. So I've got some great potassium, calcium in this greens powder, but it's a chocolate shake.
Ah, I see what you did there, and it actually looks quite delicious. And I understand that the green powder can actually improve the body's immunity, energy levels, actually detoxify it.
Absolutely, and we also get the benefit here in that what we've just taken in is also going to be hydrating, which is so important in the summertime.
So what do green powder drinks taste like?
So, the greens drinks have come a long way, right? And there's a couple that I really like, one in particular, and it has a light sort of green tea taste. So I think it tastes a bit like green tea. It's not like eating grass clippings from your lawn anymore. But what I would encourage folks to do for really anything is look at the label. So when you're picking a greens powder, look at the label, because you can find those that don't have artificial colors or flavors, no added sugars, maybe they're GMO free. There are going to be lots of opportunities to really pick a good quality one. And so that would be my encouragement. And then of course you do a little taste testing at home.
Well, I know that you have a ton of great recipes, from guacamole to smoothies, ways that we can get in the greens that we need in a tasty way. So first of all, I want to thank you for joining us, and then I'm going to direct folks to your Facebook page where they can find out more about you. But thank you. This has been so informative, and I love knowing about the powder being as good, or at least a good matchup to the actual green leafy vegetables.
Just an easy way to bolster your health.
Love it. All right. Thank you so much. And for more information, you can visit facebook.com/Meridan Zerner RDN. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.